Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Dawn Theme Mega Menu in Shopify. The Dawn theme is one of Shopify's most versatile and modern themes. One of its standout features is the ability to create a mega menu, allowing you to present your product collections, links, and other information in a clear and visually appealing drop-down. This guide walks you through the step-by-step process of setting up a mega menu in the Dawn theme. Step 1. Access your Shopify admin panel. Log into your Shopify account. From the admin dashboard, navigate to Online Store, then click Themes. Locate the Dawn theme in the list and click Customize. Step 2. Understand the mega menu structure. The mega menu in the Dawn theme is built using the menu system in Shopify. It's designed to display multiple columns of links organized under parent menu items. Key components: parent menu item, the main item that appears in your navigation bar. Hovering over it triggers the mega menu dropdown. Then child menu items, subcategories or links that appear in the dropdown, and submenu items. These are additional nested links under the child items. Step 3. Create a menu in Shopify. Go to Online Store, then click Navigation in your admin panel. Click Add Menu or Create Menu, or select an existing menu. Now create a parent item. Add a new menu item by clicking Add Menu Item. Name the item like Shop or Collections. Link it to a relevant page such as All Collections. Now add child item. Under the parent item, click Add Menu Item again. Name the child items like menswear, women's wear. Now link them to the appropriate collections or pages. And add submenu items. For each child item, click the Add Menu Item button to create nested links. Drag and drop these items slightly to the right under their parent. Step 4. Enable Mega Menu in the Dawn theme. Return to the Customize section of the Dawn theme. Navigate to the Header section. Locate the menu settings. Select the menu you have just created, like Main Menu. Check if the Mega Menu option is enabled for the parent menu items. Note that the Dawn theme automatically recognizes multi-level menus and displays them as mega menus. Step 5. Style and configure the mega menu. Within the Customize view, click on the parent menu item in the header preview. Now adjust the following settings. First of all, number of columns. Control how many columns the mega menu will display. Then menu width. Choose whether the mega menu spans the full width of the page or a fixed width. And now images. Some mega menus allows you to add featured images for categories or promotions and save your changes. Step 6. Test your mega menu. First of all, open your Shopify store in a new tab. Hover over the parent menu item to check the mega menu display. Verify that all child and submenu items are displayed correctly and link to the appropriate pages. Step 7. Advanced customization. It's an optional choice. If you'd like to further customize the look of your mega menu, then go to online store, then themes, then click actions and at last click edit code. Locate the header.liquid or navigation.liquid file. Modify the CSS or HTML to adjust spacing, colors, or layout. Add custom CSS to the themes.css or page.css file for more styling control. Use Shopify's Liquid Code to add dynamic elements like icons or badges. Note that make a backup of your theme before editing code. Now, tips for a successful mega menu. First of all, organize content clearly. Then, use descriptive labels. Ensure menu items are labeled in a way that customers can easily understand. Include images if applicable. Images can make your mega menu more engaging and help highlight key products or collections. At last, mobile responsiveness. Test the menu on both desktop or mobile to ensure usability. Now, setting up a mega menu in Shopify's Dawn theme is straightforward and highly customizable. A well-designed mega menu can significantly enhance the user experience by providing clear navigation and improving the discoverability of your products. With the steps outlined in this guide, your store will have a professional and user-friendly mega menu in no time. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.